Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would try the new Giorgio Armani products that I recently purchased. They were having a 40% off sale, so I decided to take advantage of it, mainly for this Power Fabric Foundation Balm. Now let me read to you what it says on their website. It is a full coverage natural matte shine free, and I usually get mine in the color 6. Now this is $68, but when I purchased it, number 6 was sold out. So I went ahead and got mine in the number 5. It might be a little light for me right now, but I think it'll be perfect during the winter months, but I thought I'd go ahead and do it. Now the description of this is: discover the award-winning Power Fabric Natural Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. Now the reason I like this is because of course I have all this hyperpigmentation. And it says it's now in a new transformative texture and on-the-go format. Power Fabric Foundation Balm delivers all-day matte coverage courtesy of ultra long-wear pigments. This revolutionary balm-to-powder technology transforms from sensual balm to a blendable cream during application, then finishes as powder for a flawless, non-greasy look. So I do like this foundation a lot, but let's go ahead and start with the new concealer I got. I got mine in the color 4.5. I do have the number 5, but I wanted to get something a little bit lighter, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. And I'm using my new Colored Rain sponge, and whoa, when I went ahead to go ahead and wet this, it got so big. Look, it's so big, but it's super soft, and I really do like how it feels on my skin, but I'm not gonna be using this for foundation today. Okay, let's bring you in a little closer. Okay, I just put a little light. Let me put a little bit more. I'm so tired these days. You would think with this pandemic and not going anywhere, I would be getting some good sleep, but I'm not. Okay, now the reason I'm putting this on first is because I want to put the foundation balm, and I don't want to get it all up into under my eyes. Okay, so when I went to the Giorgio Armani counter when I first purchased this product, they told me to use this applicator. It's the best way to use this, not a regular sponge or a brush, and I did find that to be true. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, and I just kind of stipple it onto my face. But look at how well it covers my hyperpigmentation. Isn't that amazing? I don't even really need foundation after this. Now this is a little bit light for me right now, but I will bronze myself up. But look at that. Can you even believe? So to me it is worth the $68 because I don't even really need another concealer shade, but it is expensive, so for 40% off, I'm all about it, you know? And it does cover all my hyperpigmentation, and it dries down, so I don't even need powder after this. Isn't that awesome? Now I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids. See, I do look a little bit white right now, but I'll go ahead and bronze up. But look at how well it does covering my hyperpigmentation. I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes. Okay, now, so I tried the concealer that I got, and I do love the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. I love the foundation balm. I should probably try to get another one in the 6. If they have another 40% off sale, I'll go ahead and get the 6 if they have it in stock. But I want to try these liquid contour and blush. And I think there's only one color in each. Let me check. Okay, the contour comes in 2 different colors. It comes in 20 Armani Contour and 21 Armani Contour, and I got mine in the color 21. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Let's see how this works, okay? It seems pretty sheer. I'm not sure how you're supposed to work this, but let's try it this way. Oh, that's nice. It is sheer, so like you can't overdo it. Let me put some more on. I do feel like it might be lifting my foundation. I don't know if that's because the way I'm swiping it. Let's try contouring my nose. Getting up in here a little bit. Oh, I do like it though. It picked up my foundation a little bit. So next time I'll have to try it with regular foundation and putting powder on top before I do this, because you know I like to put my powder before my liquid. And then the other thing that I got was their blush, and let's see how many colors that comes in. The Neo Blush is what it's called, Neo Nude Blush. It comes in 2, 4, 6, 8 colors, and I got mine in the color 32. It doesn't say what color they are. It's just, I just got mine in the color 32. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my cheeks. And then I'm gonna take this again and just kind of blend that out. It's really sheer. I wonder if there's another way to use this. Have any of you guys used this before? What do you guys think? Tell me how to use this. Maybe I should be using my fingers to blend it. But I do like it that it's sheer. I'd rather have it be sheer and build up than have it be too dark. Oh, there we go. Okay, maybe I should have powdered first because it is picking up my hyperpigmentation. It is kind of picking up the foundation. Or maybe I should have let the foundation sit a little bit more. Okay, it's very neutral looking, natural looking, don't you think? Okay, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be back with my full thought. Okay, I'm back. I finished my eyes. Now, I wanted to read to you what Giorgio Armani says about the blush and contour palette. It is called Neo Nude, so it must be new. Came with the Neo Nude. It's a complexion enhancing watercolor makeup. That's why it seems so sheer. It's called their water-based liquid color that instantly fuses with skin, providing a healthy looking glowing complexion. The A-lines are like watercolors for your complexion. Use a blush to provide sheer flush of color to fit any look, effortlessly blendable and buildable. The Neo Nude A-lines make application mistake proof. A unique velvet applicator collects a perfect dose of formula every time. You know what? I'm gonna try putting a little bit more on because it's so, it feels so, I mean, it looks so sheer, but I mean, I'd rather have sheer than too much. But it did pick up my foundation, so that's not good. But there you have it. So let me give you my thoughts on the products. This foundation balm, I love it. It covers all my hyperpigmentation, but right now it did pick it up when I use the Neo blush and contour. So I'm gonna have to keep working with that. I do love these Power Fabric concealers. So I have mine in the color 4.5 and 5. As for the Neo Nude A contour and A blush, I'm gonna have to try these out some more and try them in different ways to see if it's gonna constantly pick up my foundation. I will try this again with other foundations and putting powder down first to see if that makes a difference. And so far the only two things that I can highly recommend, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, is the foundation balm and the concealer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.